Hey everybody, Joe Hendricks here with the lead team. I'm in historic St. Elmo at 4605 Tennessee Avenue at this great craftsman style house just over the $300,000 mark. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. And you know what? When I look around, one of the things that comes up sometimes in the St. Elmo area is a new construction house right by a house that's been abandoned. Not the case in this situation. All the homes across the street on both sides of it have been updated, they've been refurbished. You've got a great, fantastic big front porch here. Spend holidays and gather with family. So let's go take a look on the inside. We are inside 4605 Tennessee Avenue here in historic St. Elmo. This home is just under 2,000 square feet, and as you can see here, it's got a massive open floor plan. Almost the entire downstairs is open for you to make it what you want. It's an entertainment area, a living room area, a little bit of both. But one of the things I thought was so cool is this little area right here. People that have toured the home have called this like a little mini office. I actually think it'd be a great place to put a desk, and you got a window right here. Just kind of escape and get some work done, or just escape and make it just a sitting room or for reading if you wanted to do that. You have a coat closet here. We'll go upstairs here shortly, but right around the corner here, I want to show you the master bedroom. Okay. One of the things that I love the most about this master bedroom is how the windows are placed in this home. As you can see, you've got a big master bedroom here, but you've got 4 windows, and 2 of them have a view of Lookout Mountain that's phenomenal. So this is the master suite bathroom on the master bedroom here. As you see, we're going to tile out a shower here, and then we're going to have a big walk-in closet right here. It's huge. It's just enough room to put clothes, shoes, very comfortably. Last thing I want to show you is there is going to be a back porch, and it also has a view of Lookout Mountain. Come check this out. Hey guys, still at 4605 Tennessee Avenue. Let's go upstairs here. One of the most popular things going in new construction right now is this sort of like large loft or landing area. This house is no different. All of this space right here is space that you can turn into a kid's playing area. You can turn it into a sitting area, a reading area, a TV area. It's yours to do whatever you want with it. Let's take a look right here. We've got storage or a closet. It's your call here, but as you can see, just down on the left, we're utilized some of the extra space for storage that'll go out towards the front of the home. So you can tuck things away there that are just kind of eyesores and so forth. Right over here, we have another bedroom with double closet doors. Okay. And then right across here, we've got a bathroom, not a Jack and Jill, so it is separated. And then we have another bedroom here with, again, 2 closet doors and some extra storage space in the back. So again, for this particular home on Tennessee Avenue, 4605, this is a $329,000 home, just under 2,000 square feet. It's a craftsman style home with James Hardie siding and wood windows. I encourage you to give us a call. I'm Joe Hendricks. I'm the listing agent with the lead team. We are at livechattanooga.com. You can also give me a call at 933-4859. Again, 933-4859. And to see a rendering of this home, visit hemlockhomes.biz. HEMLOCK.biz. Thanks so much.